What is the easiest way to keep your distribution or manufacturing operation running? Having the right spare parts on site to avoid unplanned downtime. Over time, parts cages can become neglected, leading to unreliable and disorganized inventory. When your system is down due to part failure, you cannot afford to spend precious time searching for a replacement. Honeywell Intelligrated can help minimize your risk for unplanned downtime by performing a complimentary inventory analysis. This analysis compares your current on-hand inventory for Honeywell Intelligrated equipment against our original recommendations. You'll receive a report highlighting shortfalls along with detailed information for each part. The analysis also helps with early identification of obsolescence concerns. If you can't provide a parts list, Honeywell Intelligrated can send a team of specialists on site to take a physical inventory. We'll then perform the analysis of your Honeywell Intelligrated parts to help you develop a stocking plan and annual budget. You'll also receive best practices for inventory management. The analysis provides information that is beneficial both before and after your peak season. Just remember, maintaining an accurate and organized parts gauge is the easiest way to ensure your product keeps moving and customers stay delighted. For more information, contact us today.